Welcome to this video on 7 all-star California native plants that offer beautiful summer blooms year after year. These natives provide essential color, attract pollinators like hummingbirds, and add structure to your garden after spring wildflowers are gone. We'll be focusing on summer color, low water design, and wildlife habitat. Summer bloom is important because native gardens need more than just a spring moment. When spring flowers fade, a gap in color and habitat can appear. Incorporating summer bloomers like shrubs, grasses, and seed heads provides continuous structure and supports bees, butterflies, birds, and hummingbirds. The 7 summer all-stars highlighted here are St. Catherine's lace, desert willow, Humboldt's lily, California goldenrod, toyon, deerweed, and California fuchsia. Remember to verify the best choices for your garden using your zip code and microclimate. Start with backbone plants that provide structure even when flowers are resting. St. Catherine's lace, desert willow, and toyon make up the 70% framework of a garden. These offer strong form, handle heat well, and provide habitat and anchor points. These plants provide vibrant summer color and wildlife value, keeping the garden active through the heat and into fall. California fuchsia offers late scarlet tubes for hummingbirds, while California goldenrod is great for pollinators in slightly moist areas. Deerweed acts as a seasonal filler, and Humboldt's lily is a dramatic native bulb for shaded spots. The goal is continuous structure, not constant bloom everywhere. This chart illustrates how the featured plants provide staggered bloom windows throughout the summer, with seed heads and berries extending interest into the fall months. When selecting your native plants, consider combinations tailored to specific conditions. Examples include pairings for sunny dry gardens, parkway or front yard planting, wildlife hedges, and options for part shade or canyon conditions. Always confirm suitability using CalScape before purchasing. While low water, summer natives still require care. Plant in the fall to establish roots during cooler weather. Water deeply at first, and group plants according to their specific water needs. Skip heavy fertilizer to avoid weak growth, and leave some seed heads to feed birds and add texture. Summer natives offer a big payoff for wildlife by providing essential nectar, pollen, seed, and shelter. Specific plants support hummingbirds, bees, butterflies, and birds, ensuring a vibrant and active habitat in your garden throughout the season. In summary, build for summer color, habitat, and structure. Use structural plants like toyon and desert willow. Plant in the fall. Group by water needs, and use CalScape to verify your plant selections. The sources used for this video are listed here for your reference.